1955 Chevrolet 5-window pickup here at Unique Specialty & Classics. I've been waiting to do this truck. This is a good looking truck. All right, first of all, I know some of you are going to be, it's not a 55, it's a 54. Remember, 1955 was the year, 2 body styles. This would be the Series 1. Then, of course, the more well-known 55, I guess you could say, was the Series 2. Big difference in the grille and styling, obviously. Speaking of grille and styling, look at the chrome, the bright work up front on this one, with the push bar, I guess, if you will. Headlight surrounds, iconic bow tie on the hood. Underneath the hood, speaking of the hood, 235 Thriftmaster Era Correct inline 6. That's paired up with a 4-speed manual transmission. Basically a 4-speed with a granny gear. You can start out in second. Nice driving truck. Jason's going to take it out at the end of the video. But first, if you want to see all the still pictures on this one, check them out at uniqueclassiccars.com. If you're watching this video on YouTube, click on the link down below the video in the description. That's going to take you right there. And of course, you can call us 507-386-1726. Trying to show you the paint on that hood and fenders. It's kind of a crimson metallic, I guess, if you will. It is a beautiful color on this truck with the black running boards, steel wheel, radial tires, and of course, why not some dog dishes with the Chevy emblem, or I guess center caps, if you will. Yes, paint looks as good in person as it does the videos and the pictures. Let's take a look down this passenger side. It's not all full of nicks, dings, or scratches, and this baby runs smooth. We're going to start it up, let you hear it run. Take a peek underneath the hood. Interior bench seat, kind of vinyl cloth combination. Pretty stock looking interior at that. We'll get around to that in just a bit. There they are. What makes up that 5-window, always popular cab style. Wood bed with stainless, also looking good. Remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email. Chrome rear bumper, also standing tall, looking good. Chevrolet stamped tailgate. What isn't there to like about this truck? Technician noted brakes, 90% in the front, 90% in the rear. Date code on the tires stated 2021, so they're not that old. Some seats, driver's side of the engine, nothing out of the ordinary. It's a car, get in and drive it, have some fun, take it to your shows. Wouldn't be surprised if this one brings you home some trophies, especially in the truck or Chevy truck category. Driver's side, that side-mounted spare. Paint also looking good, as you can see. Remember to go ahead and subscribe to our YouTube channel, especially if you like Chevy trucks or trucks in general. Never know what you'll see come through here at Unique Classic Cars. Videos uploaded daily. When the videos are uploaded, the vehicles in them are available to purchase. Let's take a little closer look at this interior. Something else I noticed I'll show you here in just a second. So door panels. That bench seat we mentioned earlier. Again, vinyl cloth combination, good looking saddle color with the tan interior. All right, right down here, pull to recirculate. This has a heater installed down here. Chevrolet airflow, summer winter ventilation. This will warm it up. Down below there's a lever to switch back and forth between the floor and the defrost up here. And then there's a fan speed right next to that recirculation pole. You hear that running? Heater works on this one good. Not that you're probably going to drive it in the winter a bunch, but hey, need to take the chill out of the air inside this cab? Not a problem. Let's go ahead. I'm in neutral. I want to show you how easily this starts. We do have a manual choke. We're going to give it just a little bit of choke. Push starter on the floor, neutral. I don't know if you can hear it running. it is smooth. Gauges, amp meter, oil pressure, temp gauge, fuel gauge. Does have a little aftermarket tack and a custom system here that you can go through some different settings on it. It's called a run leader. There's a trademark on it. Now you can hear it. Whoops, let's go ahead and get that door closed. Listen to how smooth that runs. I also noticed there is one little mark back here, and I have a paint color touch up really close to this. I'm going to go ahead and hit that. So I'll touch up that little spot. This truck's nice enough. Let's take care of it. Doesn't that sound good? Nice and smooth. Let's go check it out underneath the hood. Man, is it smooth and quiet up here too. I'm going to pause it. Let me get this hood open. Remember, stick around to the very end of this video. Jason's going to take it for a drive, but first let's check out this engine bay. Hood popped. We get a look underneath there a little bit. Sorry about the glare, but it's nice and clean. Like the rest of this engine bay. Look at that engine. It is running and it does not move. Rochester carb on there. And again, error correct, 235 Thriftmaster. Anybody out there watching this video have any stories from back in the day? Mid-50s having one of these trucks, brand new, wood hauler. Who knows what you used it for? Let's hear some stories. Put it down in the comments. Something about this truck I really like. It's got the look. 1955 Chevrolet 3600 5-window pickup. It's a beauty, folks. Number to call, 507-386-1726, uniqueclassiccars.com. Remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email.
Hey, it's George from Motorhood Podcast at Unique Classic Cars.
Hey, and this is Jeremy, and we're here to tell you where you can find our podcast. So first off, on all the Audible platforms, including Spotify, iHeart, etc., and also right here on the YouTube channel where you can find all of our episodes,
as well as the rest of our shenanigans.
A few other fun things that we'll do.
And when in doubt,
gas it.
Welcome to Motorhood.
Today we're driving a 1955 Chevrolet 3600 pickup truck. When you think of a 55 Chevrolet pickup, you think of this body style? There is another body style. This is the Series 1, which is similar to the 54. Now this is a 4-speed manual, but you really only need one for doing some work. I'm going to start out in second. And you can see just how easy that is. Our turn signal indicators are working. Second is a lot like a first gear in a lot of other transmissions, so it's easy to just start in second. Clutch feels good, the shifter feels good, nice and tight, as they should be. Our temperature gauge is working, showing about a quarter of the way up. The fuel gauge is showing completely full. Our battery shows charging over halfway on the gauge, and the oil pressure is over halfway, which appears to be approximately 40 pounds of pressure. Speedometer working as well. The truck started and idled really nicely. It has a nice low idle, quiet sound. You'd say close to a factory sound, perhaps. Comfortable bench seat in this truck. Beautiful woodwork in the bed. The paint looks great. In my opinion, it is a good color. A little bit of slack in the steering, as you'd expect. Actually, probably less than you usually see in one of these trucks. And it doesn't affect performance that much. Nice high seating for good visibility. And of course, windows all the way around. We've got corner windows on this truck. The other desirable feature. Brakes feel good. I'm going back down to third for this traffic circle. Corners nicely. Very refined for a 3600 truck, but you think, oh, it's a little heavier duty, maybe it doesn't feel nice on the road. This one does. It's ready to cruise. Take a look at all the pictures of this 55 Chevrolet 3600 pickup truck at uniqueclassiccars.com.